Here's the Kia Sorento. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now the bulb is right over there. The way to access it, first you open up the hatch and there's no way to access it from inside. We have to get the light out. And the light is held in place by those two screws right over there, and you will need a Phillips head screwdriver to get the screws out. Let's go ahead and start twisting it left and get the screws out. Keep them somewhere safe. Do not lose them. Now just hold the light the way I'm holding and pull it out in like sort of like a peeling out fashion, as if you're peeling the light out. And that'll get it out of the body. That's the bulb holder. Just grab it and twist it left a little bit. That's it. Now it's loose and it should come right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight, and out the bulb comes. The bulb sizes is 168 or 194. Again, it's 168 or 194. It's a simple single filament small bulb. Get the new bulb and align it with the pins in the bulb holder and push it in to secure it. Now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you have to make sure that it just aligns properly and drops in. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it goes in, like this. Now we need to twist it right to lock it in place. And that is looking good. Now let's reposition this light and let's focus on those two alignment pins. Those ones right over there. Yeah, as long as the pins are going in the holes, we're good. Getting aligned, give it a push, and that's good. Now it's aligned. Let's just go ahead and get those two screws and put them back in and tighten them up one by one. And that is looking good. Hope you found it useful.